Your future home deserves more than just a plot. It deserves a lifestyle. And Asset Group is here with its new plotted development now off IVC Road in North Bangalore. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Asset Palmscape. So right now we are here on the actual land parcel of the project and let me show you the surrounding of our project. Here they will be coming up with the main entrance. So once you enter, the land parcel starts from here and goes up to much more acres. The temporary marketing office is ready inside over here and the permanent office, that is the actual office, will be constructed super soon. Now in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, about amenities, about plot size, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and our new project by Asset Group is spread across 35 acres consisting of 642 premium plots which will be built across the greenery. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located off IVC Road, bang on Cambridge North Campus Road in North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project. On my left hand side will be the main entrance coming up, and exactly in front of it we have the Cambridge North Campus Road over here, and this road will connect you towards Doddaballapura main road, and the opposite side road will take you towards Center of Sports Excellence. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity part. The project is 3 minutes away from STRR, 5 minutes away from MET University, 11 minutes from Center of Sports Excellence, 12 minutes from Faxcon, 12 minutes from National Highway, 20 minutes away from Camp Pagoda International Airport. Coming to the amenities part, and this project offers you world-class luxurious amenities like of a grand clubhouse, multi-purpose court, landscape garden spread across the greenery, relaxation zone, kids play area, swimming pool and much more amenities. If you're looking to buy a home in Bangalore, then here's a strong recommendation from my end, as Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyer. Many home buyers don't exactly know what their rights are. For example, if you purchase a home by paying a token amount and later on try to cancel your booking, so how much amount a builder can legally deduct? Or even after a possession, there is any construction related issue happening in your project, then is builder liable for the same or not? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in this series. So before you buy a home, you must watch this series once. The link of the series is mentioned in the I button and even in the description link below. Now let's discuss about the plot size, and we'll be having 3 dimensions of plots starting from 1200, then 1500 and goes up to 2400 square feet. Discussing about the booking process, and our project is currently in pre-launch stage and our expression of interest, that is EOI window, is open now. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual site as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Asset Group newly launched plotted development project as Asset, codename Palmscape, located off IVC Road in North Bangalore. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.